channel. This is 𝓁𝒾𝓋𝑒 Artistry. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For this video, I'm gonna be doing this makeup. If you want to know how I created this makeup, then let's get started. So let's start with my bare face. I'm applying on my face the Benefit Porefessional face primer and spread it all over my face using my fingertips. Next, onto my face is the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. I'm on the lighter to medium skin tones. Now I'm topping my base with Lancome concealer. I will be doing now a smoky glam look inspired for Valentine's Day with Morphe Extreme Strolls, the mini palette. I'm so happy with this product. It is indeed perfect for my creativity and the colors are awesome. In this eye look, I selected the lighter shades in pink tones. To create definition on my eye look, I'm adding the shimmer on my eyelid, and you can always go back to blend the edges to soften the eyeshadow, and we don't want that harsh lines, and also the blending can avoid creases on the eyeshadow. Almost done on my eye makeup. To make my eye look even more dramatic, I'm applying the Eyelure falsies and finishing it with winged liner. To complete my Valentine's makeup look, I'm using the glossy red with orange tones lipstick from Lancome and setting my makeup with Tarte Ready Set Radiant Setting Spray. There you have it, my before and after look. See the difference? That is the power of makeup according to Nikki Tutorials. There you go guys! Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Hope you came this far of the video. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye!